guys, we're back in another Sigma video with
guys,
these
I'm
Sigma.
making part 3 now. I'm making part 3 now.
Making part 3. I'm making part 1. Today we're playing
Alright guys,
OGAC.
which one of you guys wants to do the intro? Which one of you guys wants to do the intro for part 3?
I'll do the intro.
Bro, just hit die.
Okay. Hello guys.
Welcome back to another video.
I'll be playing Animal Company OG.
Today we're playing. There's no mirror sadly, so we can't do the thing, but we can tackle it. Okay.
Oh my god, this is what Animal Company looks like when it's OG.
Today we're gonna be playing OG Animal Company.
Your call disconnected. What are you doing?
This is an old server. Well, it's not old server. It's old game. This is the third shop update. As you can see, the bundle.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start for doing the intro for part 3.
Oh
my god,
guys. Yo, do the intro for part 3. Do the intro for part 3.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Well, I'm doing an intro to another YouTuber, but welcome back to a video. This is part 3 of playing OG Animal Company. Let's go!
Yeah!
Shake that gap, shake that gap.
I'm not the one that's recording part 3. My first part, I clicked on because I did. Yo, bro, look over here. I just gave you the gun.
No, listen. This is OG shop. This was the first shop update.
Man, get it.
Look,
I got
we don't even have
Yo, it's
texture.
DZ9! It's DZ9!
It's DZ9. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah!
This is the old buy.
And today we're going to be going to Keys.
Alright guys, let's go to normal cave! Go!
Yeah!
Okay. Okay.
Does the game
believe I
reset
can
your
play
money
this
once
game
you
again.
leave?
No, it's not. It is not reset.
Okay, this is OG Cave.
Well, it used to be here a couple of months ago.
Medic,
banana!
I'm stuck. Medic, I'm stuck. We're all cooked. We're all cooked.
No.
Okay, we're cool.
Watch out.
Hi! Oh, heck no, I'm hiding
They're
up
dying,
here.
they're dying, they're dying.
So they did it as like a. They did it as a ghost back then.
Why did you just steal?
Okay.
Because you died and we had to kill them and the Caressio will die.
Like real life.
Get the stuff here. Stun, it's done. Go.
I'm coming. Wait for me, guys.
Yeah, as a ghost back then.
Good job, good job.
Oh. They did it as a ghost back then. So what we gotta do is like get all the way back then. OG backpack.
I'm here, guys. I'm here.
Good, good. Coca-Cola.
No. Coca-Cola.
Now let's go down to the other
This is what Animal Company looked like back then.
Yeah, this is what OG.
So nostalgic. Okay, well they have to go all the way back.
Guys,
They have an umbrella.
we have OG umbrellas for it. They're just the same. Let's go,
Hey,
boys.
don't-
I'm my umbrella stolen from me.
After this, we're gonna go to Haunted Mansion keys, okay?
OG.
Let's go to the other
Can
keys.
In this version.
I know, wait, can we go to the other keys after this? Can we go to the other keys after this?
Can I make a video about playing OG Animal Company?
Yeah, which one of you guys wants to play Mount Diaz?
No way, I just died. Yo, let's go and
My ears.
Next video, I'll be playing Animal Company OG.
Guys, sell stuff, sell the stuff.
This is
Alright,
what it
You
looked
see my
like.
username on my tag? Yeah?
Yo,
Just type that in. I'll be
OG.
wearing a purple costume.
Another
That's
OG
what
backpack.
That's what I'll be wearing. Just follow me and then I'll...
Oh my god. This was the OG backpack.
Guys, put the stuff.
Okay.
Guys, sell the stuff. Sell the stuff that was in your bag.
Okay. I'll be bringing
Did I
an
send
OG
you?
backpack, and
No, I'll be wearing a purple costume, black outfit.
Okay.
And you have
This one.
help.
No,
You
I
have
bet you
help.
it's this one. This.
Yeah.
this is what OG Animal Company looked like.
And we have no company coins, research points, or anything. Oh, got 100.
Oh!
Wait, set my follow request back and then just send me a text message or like a call.
Alright, we should go to the downstairs.
Nah, Sears is dangerous.
Oh my god.
No, follow me,
Oh
follow
my
me.
god, they added land
You guys,
mines that spawn.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, money.
Follow me.
Oh, they didn't add the company coins or research points.
Well, company coins was here, but this was the first shop update, so there's no cosmetics. Should we
This
try
is
get
what
the
it-
chicken egg? Cause chicken's like really OP,
Yo,
so
this is what it looked like.
it still looks like this.
Hardcore, man.
Wait. Okay,
Look at 1,000.
I'll distract the chicken. You get the egg.
Okay.
Chicken, come after me. Come on. Get the egg. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
You got the egg.
Ah, good. Yay!
We got the OG. We got the egg. Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, the movement's so weird.
It's like
The
the
egg is like-
same, but then it's a bit sticky with the items. We got the chicken egg. We got the chicken egg.
Okay.
Sell the egg. Put in. How much money do you have?
If
Tap
this
your
is
watch.
OG,
Tap
does
your
that
watch.
mean we can sell people?
Yeah. Tap
Wait,
your watch.
this is scraps? These are like scraps.
Yo, bro, tap
And
your
but,
watch.
but
Tap
we
your watch.
really... Okay.
Oh my
But
god.
it says I have nuts,
This-
not scraps. What is it?
That
talking
much
is
nuts you have?
crazy.
You have a lot. Come on, let's go.
No, the most open thing is sushi.
No, let's go to Kia's this time, but Armstrong Kia's.
Hey,
Guys, we go to Haunted Mansion.
the OG light.
Wait, I think Haunted Mansion isn't in this version.
Guys, we go to Haunted Mansion. Come on.
There is. I don't think there is a Haunted Mansion.
Guys, let's go to Haunted Mansion.
There is no Haunted
what?
Mansion.
Let's go to Haunted Mansion. Guys. Come on.
There is no Haunted Mansion.
Let's go to Haunted Mansion.
There's no Haunted Mansion, stupid.
There's Haunted Mansion.
There is not,
No.
you stupid.
Yes, there is Haunted Mansion.
Okay, then go down street then.
Okay.
Come on. I'm cooked.
Yo, can someone bring a flashlight down to sewage? We forgot one. We can't see any.
We just got killed.
Yeah, can someone come down to sewers with a flashlight? Both of us do not have a flashlight. We can't see where we're going.
Yo, do you guys have bags?
Yeah, we have a lot of loot in them. Can someone bring down a flashlight to sewers?
I got a flashlight.
Down two, we can't.
Guys, what part are you in the main part?
We're in the first part. We just went into like the first sewer pipe, but we're like waiting at like the drop now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Please. I need it, bro. We literally cannot see
Oh
it.
wait, I'm stuck. Wait, I'm stuck. Oh wait, I'm not stuck. Okay. Come on. Wait for me. I can't see. Guys, wait for me. I'm jumping down the hole. Guys, where are you? Oh, there you are. I got umbrella. I'm just gonna try to do it without it.
Wait, can I please have the umbrella? I need
If you
the
make
umbrella.
this-
I'm heavy as shit.
Make the jump.
No, I have like 6 gold balls in my bag. I need it.
Make
I
the
will
jump.
fall. No, I'm super heavy. I need that or else I will fall.
I can't throw it over.
I've got over $1,000 in my backpack. I need that umbrella.
Wait.
Do not.
No, I'm cooked. Sorry, bro. Wait. I think I'm not cooked.
If you die, I swear to
I'm not dead.
Like you can't talk.
I'm not cooked.
Then stay unloaded.
I'm not cooked.
Thank you, Bob.
Is there someone there? Jess, I'm here. Jess!
Oreo!
I can't see.
I feel like it's right.
Just wait, let me.
No.
I can't see at all, bro.
I might be able to make the jump.
What?
I made the jump. I made it.
Well, I'm gonna die.
I made the jump.
I died, but I'm gonna come back to series.
What?
I'm coming back to series, boys. Oh, nothing bad. I told you.
What am I taking damage by?
I might get. Wait, how much money you have? I have 8,000. Should we do this again? I only need 2 more.
My headset's extremely low.
It is. Wait, are we the only people in this code?
Like 2025?
Where's the other 4 people? Where's the other 3 people in here? Where is everybody?
OG Animal Company is so nostalgic.
Where are you guys?
There is not 3 people in here, bro. That is 5 people.
We just have the second parkour.
3, 4,
Oh, you got
5.
parkour? Okay. No eyes. You almost got me sent on map.
Sure.
Ma! You almost killed me. You know you could
You did the
Same, bro.
have sent me.
Shut up. You touch my pipe, you're gonna go flying outside the map, by the way.
I do?
Yeah, it's a glitched pipe. Only I can pick it up.
Hey bro, can I have that? Oh, it's a new item, it's a new item. Hey bro,
My headset's low. What is your headset on, bro? What is your headset on?
my headset's on
What is your headset on?
41. Uh-oh. Ow! Oh, I hit my leg with my controller. Oh, my leg. Ow. Oh, I hurt. Oh, my leg. Oh. You, bro. You, everyone, are you guys coming back from the second parkour? I'm gonna. Are you guys coming back from the second parkour? Where are these guys? You, Blue, where are you? Speaking to the watch.
Oh my god!
Did you guys make
Oh my
it?
god!
Did you die?
I died.
Okay, let's go. Let's go back.
No.
Let's go to Sears.
Okay, hold on. And stay unloaded.
Get a flashlight.
They have all kinds of backpacks. This kind of backpack. This is working. And what? What about the parkour?
Did you?
Wait, what? It's not working.
Bro, wake up.
Oh! Wait, is it recording?
It doesn't matter.
Oh guys, in today's video, we'll be playing OG Animal Company.
This is the end of my